Hello, and welcome back to English Friends Chat. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Hello, everyone. I am Ryan.
And I am Emma. We are here to help you practice English in a slow and easy way. Learning English is easy with English Friends Chat.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot. If you like our videos, subscribing helps other students find us too.
So, Emma, how are you today? You look very happy.
I am very happy, Ryan. Thank you. I am having a wonderful morning. The sun is shining through my window.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Sunshine always makes me feel good.
It does, and I have my favorite thing with me.
Let me guess. Is it a cup of tea?
You know me too well, Ryan. Yes, it is a hot cup of tea with a little bit of milk. It is warm and delicious.
That sounds perfect. I have a coffee today. It is keeping me warm, too. It is nice to just sit here and talk to you.
I agree. It is a very peaceful moment. Just us, our tea and coffee, and our wonderful listeners.
Exactly. So, Emma, what are we going to talk about today?
Today, we have a very important topic. It is something that many students feel.
Oh, really? What is it?
Today, we are going to talk about how to speak without fear.
Speak without fear. That is a big topic.
Yes, we will talk about how to be brave when you speak English, in any situation.
I think this is very helpful. I know many people feel scared to speak.
Exactly. So, sit back, relax with your tea or coffee, and let's start our conversation.
You know, Emma, when you said the word fear, I thought about my past.
Did you? Why is that, Ryan?
Well, when I was learning a new language in school, I had a lot of fear.
Fear is a strong word. Ryan, what is fear?
Good question. Fear is a feeling. It is when you are scared or afraid. You feel like something bad might happen.
That is a great definition. So, you felt fear when you spoke?
Yes, I was very nervous.
Nervous? That is another good word. Can you explain nervous?
Nervous means you are worried. Your hands might shake. Your heart beats very fast. Boom, boom, boom. You are not calm.
I understand. I think everyone feels nervous sometimes.
Even you, Emma. You are a teacher. You always look calm.
Oh, yes. Even me. When I speak to a large group of people, I sometimes feel nervous. I feel fear.
Really? That makes me feel better.
It is normal. It is very human. But Ryan, why were you nervous to speak?
I was afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes.
Yes, I thought, if I say the wrong word, people will laugh at me.
Ryan, that is a very common thought. But let me tell you a secret.
A secret? I love secrets. Tell me.
People usually do not laugh. People are usually very kind.
You think so?
I know so. Think about it. When you hear someone speaking English and they make a small mistake, do you laugh?
No, never. I just want to understand them. I want to help them.
Exactly. Most people are like you, Ryan. They want to help. They want to connect.
That is true. Connection is more important than perfection.
Connection is more important than perfection. I love that phrase. Ryan, that is beautiful.
Thank you. I read it in a book once.
So, step 1 to speaking without fear is to remember people are kind.
People are kind. I will remember that. But Emma, what about the physical feeling?
The physical feeling? What do you mean?
You know, the fast heart, the dry mouth. When I am nervous, my body feels strange. How can I stop that?
That is a great question. There is a very simple trick for that.
A trick? Is it magic?
A little bit like magic. It is called breathing.
Breathing? But I breathe all the time.
Yes, but this is special breathing. It is deep breathing. When you feel fear, you stop breathing normally.
That is true. I hold my breath.
Exactly. So, Before you speak, take one big, deep breath.
Wow, that feels nice.
It sends a message to your brain. It says we are safe. We are calm.
So, if I am in a shop or a hotel and I need to speak, I should breathe first?
Yes, stop. Take 1 second. Breathe in. Then speak.
That is very good advice. It gives you time to think too.
Yes, it does. It creates a small space, a space for confidence.
Confidence. That is a word I hear a lot. What is confidence?
Confidence is a feeling. It means you believe in yourself. It means you feel sure. You think I can do this?
I want to have confidence.
You can practice confidence. It is like a muscle.
Like a muscle? Like at the gym?
Yes. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
How can I practice confidence? Situation.
You can practice in low-stress situations.
That is a big word. What is a situation?
A situation is what is happening around you. It is the place and the time. For example, being in a meeting is a situation. Buying coffee is a situation.
Ah, I understand. So, a low-stress situation is an easy situation?
Exactly. Don't start with a big speech. Start small.
Can you give me an example of a small start?
Of course, say hello to the bus driver.
Just hello?
Just hello or good morning.
That is easy. I can do that?
When you do that, you feel good. You think I spoke English, and you feel a little bit more brave.
Brave. I like that word. What does brave mean?
Brave means you do something even if you're scared. You feel the fear, but you do it anyway.
So, talking to the bus driver makes me brave.
Yes, it is a small, brave moment. And then maybe next time you ask a question at the store.
Like, where is the milk?
Perfect. Where is the milk? It is a simple sentence, but saying it makes you stronger.
I see. Step by step. Small steps make big changes.
You are so right, Ryan. Small steps.
Emma, I have another problem when I speak.
What is it, Ryan?
Sometimes I forget the words. My mind goes blank, empty.
Oh, that happens to me too.
Really? Even in your own language?
Yes. Sometimes I forget a simple word. It is normal. But when it happens in English, students feel panic.
Panic. That sounds scary. What is panic?
Panic is sudden, strong fear. You stop thinking clearly. You want to run away?
Yes, I want to run away when I forget a word. So, what should I do?
Don't run away. Just smile.
Smile?
Yes. Smile and say, I forgot the word.
I can say that?
Of course. You can say, I'm sorry, I forgot the word. Or you can use your hands.
Like acting?
Yes. If you forget the word for pen, you can make a writing motion with your hand.
That is a good idea. It is like a game.
It is. Communication is creative. If you don't know the word, describe it.
Describe it. For example?
If you forget the word umbrella, you can say the thing for rain.
The thing for rain. Everyone understands that.
Exactly. So you don't need to be perfect. You just need to explain.
That makes me feel much less nervous. I don't need to know every word in the dictionary.
No, you just need to try. Trying is enough.
Trying is enough. I like that.
Let's talk about one more thing that helps with fear.
Okay, what is it?
Preparation.
Preparation. What does that mean?
Preparation means getting ready before you do something.
Like studying before a test?
Yes, or like looking at a menu before you go to the restaurant.
Oh, I do that. I look at the restaurant menu online.
That is excellent preparation. If you know what you want to say, you will feel less fear.
So, if I am going to the doctor, I should prepare my words?
Yes, write them down. Practice them at home. Say them to your mirror.
To my mirror?
Yes, look in the mirror and say, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
See? You said it very well.
Thank you. So, when I go to the doctor, I have already practiced.
Exactly. It is not the first time. It is the second or third time. It is easier.
That is very smart. So, we have three big ideas.
Let's count them. Number 1?
Number 1, breathe. Calm your body.
Correct. Number 2?
Number 2, start small. Say hello. Be brave with small things.
Yes. And number 3?
Number 3, prepare. Get ready before you speak.
Wonderful. And remember the most important thing, Ryan.
What is that?
Smile.
Yes, the smile.
When you smile, your voice changes. You sound friendly. And when you smile, the other person usually smiles back.
And that makes the fear go away.
It melts the fear, like ice in the sun.
That is a beautiful picture. Fear melting like ice.
So, do not worry about your accent. Do not worry about grammar. Just speak.
Just speak. It sounds easy now.
It is a journey. Some days are hard. Some days are easy. But every time you speak, you win.
You win?
Yes, you win against the fear.
I feel like a winner today.
You are a winner, Ryan, and our listeners are winners too.
Because they are here, listening and learning.
Exactly. They are preparing. That is brave.
Emma, can you tell us about a time you were brave?
Let me think. A time I was brave. Okay. Last year I went to a new country. I did not speak the language well.
Oh, what happened?
I needed to take a taxi. I was very scared. I thought the driver would not understand me.
Did you panic?
Little bit. My heart was beating fast. Boom, boom.
So, what did you do?
I took a deep breath. I smiled. And I showed him the address on my phone. And I said the name of the street.
Did he understand?
He did. He smiled and said, "Okay." And he took me there.
You see, it was a success.
It was. And I felt so proud.
Proud. That is a happy word. What is proud?
Proud means you feel good about something you did. You feel happy with yourself.
I was proud when I ordered my coffee today.
You should be. Every conversation is an achievement.
Achievement. We learned that word before. Something you finished successfully.
Yes, so viewers, be proud of every word you speak.
Even hello.
Especially hello. It is the start of everything.
This is very encouraging, Emma. I feel ready to go out and talk to everyone.
Maybe finish your coffee first, Ryan.
Good point. First coffee, then conversation.
Now, we have used some very important words today. Let's review them to make sure we remember.
I love the review part. It helps the words stick in my brain.
Good. Let's look at our first key word, fear.
Fear, F-E-A-R. It is the feeling of being scared or afraid.
Correct. But remember, we can overcome fear. The next word was nervous.
Nervous. That is when your body feels worried. Shaking hands, fast heart.
Yes, and what is the opposite of nervous?
Calm?
Yes, calm. Or confident.
Yes, confident. That means believing in yourself. Feeling sure.
Exactly. And to get confident, we need to prepare.
Prepare. To get ready before you do something. Like practicing in the mirror.
You have a very good memory, Ryan.
Thank you. I am trying. What was the word for doing something even if you are scared?
That word is brave.
Brave. I want to be a brave English speaker.
You are, Ryan, and our last important word was situation.
Situation. The place and time. What is happening around us?
Perfect. Now let's play a small game.
A game. Is it the word game?
Yes, I will say a word, and you say the first word you think of, but try to make it positive.
Okay, positive words. I am ready.
The first word is mistake.
Mistake. I think learn.
Oh, that is wonderful. Mistake and learn. Why did you choose that?
Because when we make a mistake, we learn something new.
That is the best attitude. Okay, next word, speak.
Speak, friend.
Speak and friend. I love that. Speaking makes friends.
Yes, when we speak, we can meet new people.
Okay, next word. Fear.
Fear. Go away.
That is 2 words, but I like it. Fear, go away. Or maybe fear and breathe.
Yes, fear and breathe. That is better. Because breathing helps the fear.
Last one. English.
Fun.
English is fun.
Yes, it should be fun. Not scary.
I agree completely. That was a great game, Ryan.
It was fun. Viewers, you can play this game too. What do you think of when you hear the word English?
Hopefully, you think English friends chat.
Yes, and happy.
Well, Ryan, we are coming to the end of our time together.
The time goes so fast when we are having fun.
It really does. We talked about fear, about being brave, and about how to prepare.
I feel very calm now. The tea and the talk helped.
I'm glad. I hope our viewers feel calm too.
I hope so. Remember, everyone, you are doing a great job. Learning a language is a big project.
It is. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself.
And celebrate your small wins. Every hello is a win.
Yes. Now, it is time for our question of the day.
I am ready. What is the question today, Emma?
Today's question is about being brave.
Ooh, good topic.
The question is, where do you feel safe to speak English?
That is a very interesting question. Where do you feel safe?
Yes. Do you feel safe speaking in your room? Do you feel safe speaking with a specific friend? Or maybe here in the comments.
I like that. For me, I feel safe speaking English with you, Emma.
Aw, thank you, Ryan. I feel safe with you too.
So viewers, please write your answer in the comments. I feel safe speaking English when...
Or simply tell us a place, at home or in class.
Any answer is good. We love reading your comments.
Yes, we read all of them. And it makes us very happy to see your stories.
And if you are scared to write a comment, be brave.
Yes, this is a safe place. No one will judge you here.
We are a family here at English Friends Chat.
Exactly. So take a deep breath and write your comment.
We are waiting to hear from you.
Before we go, thank you for spending your 20 minutes with us.
Yes, thank you. We know you are busy, so we appreciate your time.
If you enjoyed this calm conversation, please give us a thumbs up.
Like this video. It is a small click for you, but a big help for us.
And do not forget to subscribe if you want more easy English lessons.
We have many more topics to talk about.
We do. But for today, that is all.
Have a wonderful, brave day.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, and do not fear.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.